Hello, my name is Jason, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to use Castofly and how we can integrate it with Intercom to directly export our how-to guides to the Intercom Help Center. This is our current App Store listing on Intercom. Right now it's not installed, but I can quickly show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is you want to log into Castofly. So I'm going to hit the login button right here. I'm already logged into an account, but this is our dashboard. And if you want to create a new project, you can always just click on the new project button here, or you can click on the new project by clicking on the extension tooltip right here. We want to show you the integration with Intercom, so we can hit this integrations tab right here, and we can hit the connect button. After hitting the connect button, we're taken to this OAuth page, and here we can authorize access for our Castofly app in Intercom. So let's hit authorize access. Once that's done, we get a confirmation message that we've connected with Intercom that will allow us to directly export our contents to the Intercom. And if I head on over to the App Store now and hit refresh right here, so now our app is installed onto our Intercom application. Okay, so now that we've connected, we can head back to the dashboard, and let's say we want to create a new project. So for example, let's say we want to teach someone how to change their profile picture on Slack. So what I can do is I can head on over to Slack, and let's begin recording. So after 3 seconds, chatbot down here will begin capturing your clicks and whatever you click through. So let's say I click on my profile picture and hit on profile, and I want to click on edit, and we can click on upload photo. We can change our photo to something. Let's say, for example, this photo here, and we can crop. Click save. Alright, once that's done, you click on save changes, and that's basically the entire guide on how to change the profile picture. So now we can end the recording by hovering over here, clicking done. You can also click on over here and click done over here. Alright, now that it's finished loading, this is our project. It will tell you the steps you need to follow to change your profile picture on Slack. So I think this looks pretty good. Maybe I'll just delete some steps that I don't find necessary. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna hit the share button now and publish this project. And you can head on over to the direct export tab, and you'll see this Intercom icon right here. Once I click on that, you can modify your article title, your description of your article, select a collection under which this article should go under, and if it should be published. So I'm going to name this article how to change your profile picture on Slack. And description, I'm not going to add a description. I'm going to put this under example collection, and it's going to be published instantly. So we'll hit submit. All right, and so after a short while, we get another confirmation message that our article has been exported to the Intercom workspace. So let's see if it's there. So we'll head on over to our help center here and hit refresh. All right, here it is, how to change your profile picture on Slack. It was just published a couple seconds ago. And here it is, our complete guide. It has our screenshots, it has areas where we should click, and it has the descriptions under each slide. All right, so that looks good. So after a short while, Fin AI agent will ingest the contents of this article, and we can take a look by going over to the Fin AI agent over here. Here it says your content ingestion has been completed successfully, and it will be using our latest content. So now if I ask it a question, for example, how can I change my profile picture on Slack? We'll wait for a response. All right, so now Fin AI agent is basically regurgitating the contents of our how-to guide. It tells us the step-by-step instructions, and it links us to the article directly by clicking on this link right here. All right, and here it is. This is our guide. All in the chatbot, which is pretty amazing.